Projects Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about the very sad story coming out of St. Thomas, where we hear that a 43-year-old man by the name of Levi Chambers lost his life after residents, LIQ mob, decides to run in upon the man. This man is of unsound mind, but he was still employed in the name of a liquor was go wash some car for a company, and the company rent car, and him going to go, wash the car them, make him make a living. But he's not all, upstairs, not all together. Somehow, people see the man, rush on upon the man try run, they run him down. But I don't even know if I started that video, because it really don't make any sense to me. The theory is, what we are hearing is that they mistake the man for Davian Bryan, and then afterwards them realize it's not him. But even that don't make sense to me, because people can't so fool. I know people fool, but people can't so fool. This man look nothing like Davian Bryan. This man, they can tell say he's a much older man. People say a big man, he can look at the man as a much bigger man this in the age. Right. Body type, nothing that the man look like Davian Bryan. As I say, to make things worse, the man, is of unsound mind. He can function, but he's not all. So if them run on upon him and ask him a question or say something to him, the answer we him give might not be, the most sensible answer. And I guess for them that's confirmation. This can't go so. I'm not saying in Jamaica people like him, poor, unsound mind. Society in a check for them people. But this can't go so. Something have to come out of this. Remember the last time, one time, the next thing they go on a little girl, and it's another man of unsound mind, they lose female life to remember that, and here we go again. Here we go again. This one, in the video, I tell people, I do not advise nobody to go take the line of them own hand, because this is what happened. The last thing you want is a bunch of LIQs in the bush and look for man, because them things are going to happen. How irrational do you have to be? You know what, I'm not even want to accept the story. The story of them thinking about Davian Bryan, it is so ridiculous. I was reasoning with my views. You're supposed to know the channel by now. And when I say, bro, this don't make no sense. Somebody they want to get rid of the man, and point him out, because it just don't make no sense. This is a smoke screen. It is so ridiculous, where the accepted theories are mistake them make. So much people don't realize that this man look nothing like Davian Bryan. Even if, let's say one somebody, have a problem with the man and I try to get him out, nobody in the quote-unquote mob don't realize that this brother look nothing like Davian Bryan. It's clearly not Davian Bryan. I want to listen to a clip. You see, I posted the video upon Patreon. Would I reason amongst myself over there, and a terrible video, because you see the man take him last breath. Terrible video. But there's some parts of the video more. I'm going to play a little, obviously I can't play the video, but I'm going to play a little audio. And this part they on loop, so you can go check it out over there. So. The full video they on Patreon. I want to hear what the mob say after the man they on the ground. I want you to listen closely and tell me if them people have sense. Listen up. The people are ask if I him. The people gather around the man on the ground and take him last breath. 43-year-old Levi Chambers. A man who is reported to be mentally ill, of unsound mind. gather around the man as him a take it and I ask for him. Them time them a ask for him. After the wounds them get inflicted, after they run down the man, after them rush the man, alright, now we ask questions. Is that him? By him? You know if I him? You know if I him? Me don't know if I him. I mean, this come like a really bad skit. Like a really bad, them social media skit there. Which just not funny because it can't be real life. People them are asking for him. While the man are gasped him. Something have come out of this. Every time them things are going on, right, the people them who end up get the short stick, right, are people, right, like this man. People like Levi Chambers. Right, and I know say he might not a big celebrity who only care about because them people only care about the most. Right. He might not a favorite politicians, he might not a big wig, he might not a star, but the man life count for something. Right, and they can't do the man so. Them can't take the man life just over foolishness. The little girl has been found. The other girl has been found. That was the original objective. For the people them help the security forces, right, in numbers to find the girl them. They have been found. What people are do are launch them own search and destroy operations. See, me go show you say this is all about hype, trending topic, right, and being in the mix. If the residents them did really care about protecting Pitney, you know what them are? Are them yard that protect for them Pitney. Open the ear, Mr. While ago, If people did really care about protecting Pitney, them that are them yard because all them adults in the bush, you think none of them not a Pitney, them Pitney that the yard, but one of them in the bush I play Rambo. Meanwhile the Pitney that the yard and protect. So if let's say Davian Bryan still a grow, no why they can't snatch so much because everybody in the bush. Right. Nobody don't look out. Who look out a Pitney? One next Pitney? Charity begins in the home. Right. Protect your own first. Protect your neighbor one first. All on the run down in the bush and look for man. Right. Then time the man does in the community was snatch our next one. This whole thing has transformed into a circus as usual. Now care the intention goodie. Right. Once the mob reach, the circus start. We never see Jamaicans launch the kind of. Let me talk about it now. I have to go there. All the years crime are going on in Jamaica. Clans, one other, Stone Crusher. Right. We never see the residents them. Right. Get up and decide to them and take it in their hands and bring back the fight. Never. Right. Right. Look how much dopey sci-fi they have on him. Look how much dopey J-body residents them deaf, dumb and blind. Right. Whole heap of gunman live at St. Thomas. Residents deaf, dumb and blind. But run down one mentally man, juke him up. Here they come. Turning a Rambo. Turning a Steven Seagal. When it's time for slay the defenseless. When it's time for them now bring the smoke to the man them want to kick down door and wet up everybody. 10 rounds, bap, everybody get it. They don't no smoke for them people. Right, a quote unquote madman them want to take out. You get to realize you can always count on the masses to ruin a good thing. Now QH start off good and then you say, well, it's great work with the community coming together for help. And now QH start off good. Just give it a good time. The circus will arrive. People who ordinarily in a business born a Pitney, because we know the Pitney drop like fly at Jamaica. Pitney go missing daily. But the topic is so hot. And everybody want to be considered the hero, right? The one who actually take him out. Not because they actually care about the little girl, right? But because they want the real things what come with that. It get to the point that people even start make up stories that the little girl point out the man as in the man who lose him life. Right? Because you know them have to justify the foolishness, right? Claims that the little girl point out Levi Chambers, so the police come out and say that is impossible. Because the little girl none of them, right, never, right, have the opportunity for point out Levi Chambers. None of them couldn't do it. Which part of them there and how them locked down, them couldn't point out Levi Chambers to nobody. So the little smoke screen recordings them will go around and claim say, oh, him and Davy and Brian like work together and then the little girl point him out. You can't meet that. Something have come out of this. The man life matter. The man was of unsound mind, a working man, the man washing car them for a living. And them man they don't have strength for. We don't have strength for not one gunman in Jamaica. Not one. When the Jamaican mob, say Sci-Fi, J-Bad, Bigger Crime, Hodges, I walk on the road, you know. Yo, I don't see nothing because man not informer, I don't see nothing, I see nothing. Man not informer, that's none of my business, the police. We could talk about it now. We could talk about Jamaica's culture too. People tell us that them now say nothing or do nothing about a gunman because for them job that and the man an informer. But for Levi Chambers, not only were people willing to become quote-unquote informers, but they were willing to get him out themselves. They couldn't even wait till the police get him, right, for him to come turn up on the scene. They not even want him to come get the roast there. Right. They want to deal with it themselves. Right. Bring him come. Right. We're not sure if I am still, but him unarmed. He look like he not an automatic pan him. We not hear same power with Stone Crusher. We not hear same power with 5150. We not hear same power with Don Stokes or one other. Right, so come make you go for him, and if he run, make you run him down. Right. This thing has turned into a farce. People need to guard them yard. Right. If a pitney you want to protect, them safer with uno in the yard, not in the bush. When I see one bag of young, I see a young girl run up on them back of the man them. The man them there, right, I take the man life and be a little young girl there on the scene, woman up on the scene. Right. It's an entertainment, it's like a train wreck. Everybody wants to do the fun and the excitement. Them kind of scenes there look very Banana Republic-ish. That the mob don't stand up around the man. I watch the man and take him last breath. And then I go ask, yo, are him? The mob there? That's not the scenes the Jamaica Tourist Board want the world to see. Cause that ain't no Irie man, and no problem man. But it's alright, go and make man, go and make on the favorite celebs and boost them up man and tell them foolishness. You think so them are gonna help? Take no charge, you don't know. You think them actually busy more pitney, but enough of them actually fix them out. We telling us big up man we kill pitney. I know they care about pitney. Enough of them profit, I'm singing about the death of pitney. But now all of a sudden, they're guardians of the universe. See, me know them type of video, when I see them think that people don't like it and then get upset and them. So we are talking about. So the thing said, we don't believe you. Next matter of fact, enough man at the bush right now. For them own a pitney, none of them. And them pitney living in the community with them. Them pitney live at St. Thomas and they own a pitney. Them pitney I watch the video and I say, hold on, let me follow that. Why am I do I look for man in the bush and never can look for me yet? Oh, no one hear that. No one hear that. It's all an act. Pitney down at St. Thomas all across Jamaica get violated on the daily. No phone, we're in the bush right now, grind off little pitney in a bush. We just never use one knife for the neck and draw it. But the end result was the same. When you mash up enough little girl innocent, move from right there so. We don't believe you. Lie or not tell. We not overcompensate. Enough little girl lose them innocence in them bush down at St. Thomas. For if I see a man, they may say run up down the bush. What I look for Davy and Brian. Cost the man in life. I know it can't make sense to me. Anyway, look below the video. Depending on which browser you use, there's one look like one finger upside down, one thumb upside down. That's the dislike button. Pressure it. This man, Levi Chambers. It's very unlikely you're gonna see none of your favorite woke TV group them come out and raise no fuss about him. But I want to understand something. The man life means something. The man life of value. But you see, him at 87, right? He not up money. He man a star. He man a celeb. So in the world of Jamaica, he man a body. So no people listen to tap on nice repeat. It's a mistake I go like say. No. Because if that's somebody wanna care about, if you substitute Levi Chambers' name, right, for your favorite politician or your favorite artist, I bet you say that never hear the end of it. You would not talk about us, so it go. I'm a talk back even when they are aforementioned guilty of sin on still. No one's nothing to them. But a man who do nothing. Except wrong place, wrong time. Woke up now and LIQ map. All of a sudden, people must just be understanding and so it go. No, and that's how it go. I can't wait for this thing end. Davy and Brian and in yourself, my youth, so this thing can end. So this circus can end. Right. So the people can stop while them business about it because the entertainment them a look now. At this point, it's entertainment. I see the video. Me and the patrons can watch it on Patreon. We see the video. Me and people might laugh. I see the gimmicks. It's entertainment. Come back to chase and run him down. It's entertainment, gimmicks. We don't believe you. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad. Stay circling. Bless.